This laser has become one of the most useful tools in our workshop. And what surprised us the most isn't what this can do, but how quickly it fit into our workflow. And we use it to make things that we sell, like this side panel for our 3D printer stands. We also use it to make tools and jigs in our workshop so we can work faster and more accurately. This is a custom router jig that we use to cut our French cleat wall panels. And we also just started using it to create custom artwork that would be very difficult to create any other way. And in this video, we're going to show you exactly how we are using the LaserPecker LX2 and why it has earned a permanent place in our workshop. So one of the things that we're always doing around here is looking for creative twists to add to our products so that they stand out. A perfect example of this is our 3D printer stand product, which we're currently selling on our website. And our product director, Matthew, came up with this really cool idea to add optional decorative wall panels to the side. This entire panel was laser cut on the LX2 in large parts and then glued together, and it's going to bolt onto the side of the stand just like that. On the back, we have these laser cut brackets that we're going to fit this LED rope light into, but first, let's give it a final paint job. Probably should have painted these before I glued them together. This bolts on just like this, and all of the brackets fit inside these holes. And these LEDs are RGB, so you can set them to any color you want. So this is just a quick mock-up, but we plan on having all different kinds of styles and sizes. And here's what the design looks like in Autodesk Fusion. We do all of our design work from scratch in this software, and it is fantastic for exporting out DXF files, which then can be imported directly into LaserPecker's LDS software for cutting and engraving. And this is a very quick iteration process. So instead of sending prototypes out to a manufacturer and waiting days for them to mock it up and see if the idea works, we can design a custom panel in Autodesk Fusion, bring it into the LaserPecker software, and have a physical prototype in our hands in just minutes. This rapid iteration process is huge and saves us so much time. There's also a built-in camera preview, which makes positioning designs much easier than manually guessing where everything will land. And the autofocus feature is a must-have in my opinion. You don't need to manually just focus every time. It's easy to use every day, especially when you're switching between materials like we do. There's different laser modules that you can swap in and out, and you can basically prototype or make anything you want. And because our manufacturing process is very similar to our prototyping process, we already know how much material, how much time, and how much effort it's going to take to produce our products. So producing products on the LX2 is fantastic, but we also use it to create jigs and tools in our workshop to make our life much easier. So these are our French cleat wall panels. We have them all over the shop to store tools, and we cut them out of one piece of plywood on our CNC machine. They work really well for tool storage. This is a bit messy, but you can see the painted French cleat wall panels behind. Here's one of the smaller size panels that we sell that's not currently up on the wall. This was all cut on our CNC machine. The CNC machine goes back and forth and cuts out all these grooves, and it even does angle cuts where it cuts out the cleat on one side and a slope on the other. But if we're using the CNC machine to cut out other products, we still want to be able to make the French cleat wall panels, and that's where this jig comes in. So we designed and cut this jig probably in about 20 minutes from start to finish. And here's a better example of how it works. So the first thing is we need to cut out these wide slots, but our router bit is too small to do it in one pass. So imagine this board hasn't been cut yet. You place the bit inside one of the holes, start your router, and you're able to cut all the way across. Then when you get to the other side, you pick another hole, and you do another pass where you widen out that groove even more. Then after you've used your router in each one of these 5 holes, you'll have a slot wide enough to form the French cleat. Then we switch to a bit like this to cut the undercutting angles. This is a dovetail bit. It'll go on your router and it'll fit through this big hole. You then can go back and forth and cut out this undercut 45-degree angle. There's even a laser cut ledge on the back that fits on the edge of the board, guiding your router back and forth. Then when you're done with that slot, you just move it over and start another slot. Very accurate, and for the time that we put into it, it works really well. So using the laser to create jigs and tools that will offload the work from bigger machines to a manual process that's very repeatable and accurate has been a huge win in the workshop. And we can also share these with people who don't have a big CNC machine who still want to create the French cleat wall panels. Laser cutting is also an amazing tool for creativity. We've been designing and creating these modular wall panels for gamers so they can decorate their gaming space and give it a really cool sci-fi look. So this is a single hexagonal laser cut panel that will tile together with other similar panels. They start out like this, and they're made up of all of these different parts. All of these parts are glued together We then add the little roof parts, which are at different angles to catch the light differently. And then we add these hexagonal grills, and when you tile them all together, it looks like this. Now imagine that we have an entire wall covered with these, including custom LED lighting. Here it is with just a really quick paint job and the LEDs back in. Now imagine this covering the wall directly behind our gamer desk. We'd have to add a lot more pieces, but this is a pretty cool proof of concept. And although we've spent a lot of time focusing on laser cut products, we also use the LX2 to do a lot of engraving. These are custom engraved Pete squared labels that will go onto all of our products. If you're a maker running a workshop, building products, creating prototypes, making signs, artwork, jigs, or custom projects, I think the LX2 is definitely worth considering. What we like most about it isn't just the cutting power, it's how easy it is to go from an idea to a finished product. The software is straightforward, the camera preview makes positioning simple, autofocus helps reduce setup time, and the machine handles both cutting and engraving really well. For us, the LX2 has become a practical tool that saves time, helps us prototype faster, and lets us create products without tying up larger equipment in the workshop. We've only scratched the surface of what this machine can do, but it's already earned a permanent place in our workflow. And if you are interested, the LaserPecker's June promotion has come back to the early bird price, and you can use our code PETE2 for an additional savings up to $180 off. Cool, thanks for watching.